Hi all, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to convert video file to audio MP4 to MP3 through VLC player. Just open the VLC player, go to media option, select convert/save option, add your video. I'm going to add this video. Now click on convert/save option, select profile. Here I am going to select audio-mp3 option. Select your audio file path. I'm going to select videos folder. Now change the file name. Click on save. Click on start. Now audio file is converting. It is completed. Close the VLC player. This is my converted audio file. Welcome to the first part of our Procure to Pay video series. In this video, I'm going to explain. Yes, my video successfully converted to audio file format. Just right click, click on properties. Yes, it's converted to MP3 format. That's it, today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.